What signature drink should every pop-up drink stand selling boba have? It should offer a house brown sugar milk tea with chewy tapioca pearls, balanced sweetness, and a memorable finish. A brown sugar milk tea works well because it is familiar, easy to recognize, and still gives your stand a special identity. Start with strong black tea, because milk and ice can weaken the flavor. Brew the tea, then cool it before mixing it with milk so the drink does not become watery or taste cooked. Add brown sugar syrup around the inside of the cup so customers can see the dark stripes before the drink is shaken. Use fresh tapioca pearls that are soft in the center and slightly chewy, not hard or mushy. A lesser-known detail is that cooked boba usually has its best texture for only a few hours, so make smaller batches and replace them often. Let customers choose regular, light, or extra sweetness, because brown sugar syrup can quickly overpower the tea. For a clear house style, use one standard tea, one milk choice, and one pearl portion, then allow small changes without making every order complicated. A common mistake is making the drink too sweet, so taste the tea and syrup together before setting the recipe. Another mistake is serving old or cold hard pearls, so prepare them in smaller batches and mark the cooking time. Some stands also use weak tea, which disappears under the milk, so brew a concentrated tea and chill it before service. Do not fill the cup with too much ice, because melting ice changes the flavor before the customer finishes the drink. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.